What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You know this is Juba Ends and I want you to make this channel your ends also. And tell a friend say run come over here, so come subscribe to the channel, like my videos and all a vibe pan the ends. Now people, I'm just there with some update pan Kenisha and Kerry Moody that went missing on December 8th and was seen in a viral video in a shallow grave being buried somewhere in some bushes. But right now people, allegations are that no one is searching for the grave. Let me say people, I'm getting this information from someone in Grange Hill, and the person say him not see nobody at all group up, say them a go look yaso, them a go look deso. First thing, nobody not even know which path to look. Them no have a clue. So no searching now go on for them people. You me I tell you? No farmer searching. Me I wonder what really I go on if them I go still just missing so like Danali, Medic and the rest of them when I find. People, you know normal. And you see right now, the police them have a lot of work to do, you know. Because the gunmen them are create havoc. So the police them have to busy on the road. See? And if the police them not get a tip off from somebody who knows something about this crime, remember, them now go find the body. And you see in a them time ya people, to how this a crime ya set, you know, remember, you know, then kill them and go bury them in a shallow grave. If somebody even knows something, them a go afraid to tell the police. Because most of the time, people say when them tell police things, who them talk pan, hear back and still can kill them too. So people afraid to give out information these days. You know say, people we call vloggers and bloggers or what you want to call them and tell them things more than how them we tell the police. When me say people, the people them with information rather call vloggers, may I tell you, and journalists, and give them information more than give it to police. Because them say when they give police, the gunmen them or whoever them talk pan hear about them name. It's not a normal thing. You may tell the people. But me have to wonder to myself say if this girl and this boy was hated so much that nobody now search for them and nobody now say nothing. You may tell because up to the time me no see no friend come out, no boyfriend, no girlfriend, nobody else no say nothing. I just our mother and our father. You see me? Nobody else people. Boy, I mean, don't know if you're going to find them, you know? I don't know because it looks sticky. Because if nobody now search up to the time, and if nobody now give the police a tip off as well me say, it a go sticky. Because them can't search a Westmoreland when them not there Westmoreland neither. Them can't search a Senti when they not sent the body them there. So the police them have to get a tip off to know them next move. And as me say, nobody in the area where they come from now search for them. And then again, the things that are being said and the reason why they were killed, enough people against them. Something there. People against scamming, people against criminal activities. So in that like say them dead with a clean sheet where you have some people that sympathize with them and you know, nobody in the pan that. So people now go really search for them. If under the police, it done for. If the police not search and find them, or maybe them say drunk or some place and whatever it may be, and then again, when me telling you something people, you see these type of crimes, people will know things as me say are not talking, you know, because a man you know say, I up the side body bury, I'm afraid because you go here say my informer and then we come back and kill him too. Enough things. So it look like say sleeping dogs are gonna just lie in a Jamaica when you come on to certain things. Because people afraid to talk. Eh? Mighty Father, it pay to live clean, you know. It pay to live clean. When I say people, it pays to live clean. Make sure you have a clean sheet all the time in your community and out of your community. You hear me I say? Live a good life so people can respect that. And when you're dead, then celebrate your death. Whether you're dead bad or dead good. As long as you live a clean life. And if you live a clean life, you're not dead bad. You're half dead good. People, any further information, I will let you guys know. Big up on yourself, Juba Ends, I'm out.
This is the lemongrass oil. Just like all of our products, it is 100% natural and it is safe for children. This oil is primarily made to treat dandruff. However, it also works to treat eczema of the scalp. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just WhatsApp the number on your screen right now to place your order.